If you use Claude Code, you know that configuration is everything. But what if I told you you can use proven winning configuration with a short command? Luckily, we have a plugin called Everything Claude Code that has more than 220k stars in its GitHub repo. In this video, we'll see what this plugin has to offer and what is the best way to install it without hitting your usage limits. So let's dive into it. So this is the repository of Everything Claude Code. I'll put a link in the description. This repo contains a lot of skills, sub-agents, MCPs, hooks, and rules that you can use with multiple AI coding agents like Claude Code, Codex, Opencode, Cursor, Gemini, and more. Everything Claude Code works with Windows, macOS, and Linux, so you can use it on any device you have. I highly recommend to take a look in this repo and see which of the resources is relevant for you. I wanted to show you agents and skills, so let's start with agents. Inside the agents folder, we have multiple MD files. Each one of them is configuring an agent. So let's see some examples. We have an architect here, code explorer, code reviewer, code simplifier, CPP reviewer, and much more. Almost any agent you have in mind. We'll continue to the skills folder. Here you can see a skill about Android clean architecture, Angular developer, API design, backend patterns, and many more that are relevant for daily usage. So let's see how to install this plugin in Claude Code and how to use it. By the way, I forgot to introduce myself. I help developers turn AI into real workflows, so sub and like, it really helps me provide more value for you. In order to install this plugin, we have these commands. It can be found in the GitHub repo. We're going to install the marketplace of this plugin, and after that, we're going to install the specific one. Let's execute the first command. And now the marketplace was added. The name of the marketplace is ECC. Now we want to install the plugin. After we install the plugin, we need to type /ECC. And now you can see all the functions that are available in this plugin. There's also a guide that tells you what is included in this plugin. The guide is called ECC Guide, so let's execute it. The ECC Guide is a skill, and you can drill down to the several options we mentioned. You can ask for the skills, agents, hooks. If you already have the command in mind, you can use the ECC to search for what you are looking for. For example, marketing campaign, and now I can run this specific skill. But you are probably wondering if you should install the whole plugin or cherry pick the specific files you need. Installing such a big plugin can consume a lot of tokens. So to answer this question, I ran the context command before and after the installation. Before the installation, I had 26.6k, and after that, I had 36.6k. It means that the plugin consumes about 10k tokens. If you're not familiar with this command, it gives you a full breakdown of your current context. At this point, you're probably thinking, I'm not gonna add this plugin to Claude Code. The limits of Claude Code is already tough, and I don't want to waste 10k tokens in every prompt. But it doesn't work that way. Before we see how it works, I have a special offer for you. If you always wanted to build your own SaaS, we're working on a new builders community. The first 5 who join the waitlist will get free membership. The link is in the description. So let's get back to the video. In Claude Code, we have something called cache. With this mechanism, we're able to reduce the tokens we consume if we send the same context again and again. For example, the plugin we've just installed. This plugin contains a lot of skills with descriptions and a lot of agents with descriptions, and this info is sent in every prompt we execute. The first time we send this static context, we're going to do a cache write, and we'll pay 25% more for this request. When we read from the cache, we're going to pay only 10% of the original costs. It means that in the first time we're writing to the cache, we'll pay 12.5k, and after that, every time we have a cache read, we're going to pay only 1000 tokens, 10% of the tokens we use. So that means we always want to get a cache hit. This means that every time we send a prompt, we'll get a cache read from the memory. But in order to do that, we need to understand something called TTL. TTL is time to live, and this means that every cache we have has time expiration. If you use a subscription, the static context that is saved in Claude is about 1 hour. If you use Claude API, the TTL is much smaller. We're talking about 5 minutes only. That's great. Now we can answer the question, should you install the whole plugin or cherry pick what you need? We need to ask ourselves, do we have a subscription? If the answer is no, because of the TTL we just mentioned, you should go with the cherry pick. You don't want to waste too much money on this specific plugin. If the answer is yes and you have a subscription, we need to move on to the next question. Do you want to modify the skills, the subagents, or the rest of the files? If the answer is yes, go with cherry picking and make sure what you add is relevant and customized for you. If the answer is no, you can install the plugins and you won't have any usage limits issues. Everything Claude Code plugin is great, but if you want to master Claude Code and get better results, you must understand the new changes to subagents. Luckily, I created this video for you. See you in the next video.